Guys, nas day number 7 ndo body yangu yanayo day number 7 so now so pick a black what need this thing. I think that's the one I'll be using to show you the transformation of my body. I'll show you these things that haven't disappeared, but I think there is a little bit change on my tummy. That's what I'm thinking. Unfortunately, I don't have a tape measure to actually measure myself to see if there is a difference between today and the day I started my vegetarian and water therapy diet. So I haven't been eating meat and I haven't been eating my carbs or anything. She need too much starch. No. So last week I was on 107. No, not 107. 112.3 kgs. Today, hopefully I lost some kgs. I don't really mind if I'm on 107, 106. Let's see. Good in the pap. Drum. Ding ding. Right. Okay, 105.1. Do ilipo right now. So let's go back again to not need a cheap because change, but then I don't mind the 105.1. actually that's a huge difference between the first day when I first doing my diet. I was on 112.3 kgs compared to today when I'm on 105.1. so let's go back again to on. So that's the same weight yandiri. I'm not say maybe because I'm moving. So that's my weight for today, 105.1 kg. So hey guys, it's guys, but that's my stomach, guys. Oh, I'm gonna get there. So that Buddhista they say right now. Do ira ndabudisa ndakabudisa kutodibudisa kuti dege so kana sina uri budisa rakadayo so then okumsana so zvakaita matsava zangu asata yaso kukwana kumusoro kuona kuti akagumira umu, but I think itochifanira kuzosvika umu. So that's me today. We'll see kuti next week then at least guys. So tikati Washington tikati 112.3 kgs minus 105.1. Ndaluza makeji mangani pa 1 week.
Kanji
1 million ndiro tsvaga phone mira ipapo. Saga is we're calculating with how many kgs did I lose within 1 week of me eating vegetables only and also drinking 6 liters of water per day with lemon. So that's a 112.3 minus 105.1. What? 7.2. The week young we have done. It can go. Maybe doing very good again. 7.2 kgs, guys. Don't answer. If you don't now, then when? I can't wait. But guys, frankly speaking, and screen that with gym and sweet my exercise because they are gonna put water therapy and which and better say. So that's pretty much it. Dumbi. Alright guys, and that's what guys. At least what I'm doing is actually working. It's working. It's working. It's how are you feeling? It's working. It's working. Right. Guys, I'm using my own method. Guys, like I told you before, my suggestions I can't want this. I'm using my personal method that don't what you anatsaundiitira guys, so like seriously speaking I don't mind. Kanogona oriendera for good forever so ndakumirira kuti maybe on Wednesday ndinenda pachi, so I'll be doing 2 my videos angu shona kuti ndapachi 2 my video a weight loss per week. So on Wednesday I'll come back to Notapachi, then on Saturday or Sunday to Notapachi, but these are tremendous results. I'm literally eating my cucumbers like a crazy person, vegetables like a crazy person. I'm not starving myself to those people who might think, oh my God, I'm punishing myself for what I'm not eating. It's not like that. I have been eating like crazy, but then mostly vegetables. Right now I haven't drank my water, I haven't eaten anything. So soon after this, I'm gonna drink my water. Maybe 2 liters. Anything later on, I'll do cucumbers. Later, maybe some vegetables and but then I steam them and they are oil. Yeah, this is papa. My food is not oil. It's too much salt. Because it's too much fatty of tea than and I can't afford to buy even olive oil or olive oil wherever they are actually expensive for me. So I want to food is cooking oil for the meantime. No sugar, no salsa, no rice, no bread. I cannot wait to be in the 90s. Bye bye. So guys, that's day 4. The 100% vegetarian. So that was a clip so that I don't wanna lie to people. It's painful. It's not easy, and for the past 2 days, actually the first day when I started doing the vegetarian thing, I feel so hungry because the body I'm gets not so like the picture yes and but because I'm saying body yangu obviously and definitely maybe my small quantities plus the other things my vegetables my fruits so I'll show you include this watermelon because this was my breakfast pieces okay, but as this one for $2 so like my piece because I think liquid feel full but then this sakandakaitenga papa nenguva saka mukuona kuti yatsokutishibesa anofanira kuigadzira zvakanaka so ndokuda kuwedzera kuisa this necucumber rangu iri maybe chasaka diki hanyatsokuifarira ndizivi sei saka ndozvezvimwe izvozvo maybe ndichazokuradzawo ndichangopota ndichitora tumapics netumaclips tudiki kuti dhei rakati ndadya chii dhei rakati ndadya chii because some of these things zvangofana nemvura yangu iyi you see plain water. I mean, what you guys want to do say it's not like plain pure water. So what I'm doing is ndikushira 2 my lemon 5 liters every day early in the morning because that's the method I actually used in 2015. So I'm gonna go back to the origins. Then apple cider vinegar that was not my intention yekuti ndiitenga uchibati ndangodhuma naona ndichitsvaga zvangu zvemavegetables sandadhumana nevanhu ndakanzwa usiku chi apple cider vinegar inobatsira singambo saka this one I think it's filtered. I think ndaifanira kutsvaga inenge ichikanzi unfiltered, but then that's the one I have but maybe I have to look for the one from unfiltered. I'm not so sure. I'll do my research. Second, maybe the dressing one this one apple cider vinegar. Documented plus my pictures ndakatanga nemacucumbers nekuti nainzwanzira stereki ndakaswirira macucumbers ndofunga pane dhira ndikatoswirira about 4 chaiwo akareba akadai because I was feeling so hungry. But then ndatanga kudya mabroccoli yangu necarrots zvakasangana nemagarlic wati nyangwe ndakamaka garlic, but I'm gonna try to eat garlic pamafudzi angu ese. So izvi ndo zvandinoda kugadzira kasaladi kangu kadiki kuti maybe ndinyatsonzwa kuti ndaguta, because I still feel like my stomach is empty. Saka ndichasadzisa nemvura ichidza 3 chigubu changu chaapa ndichimwa neplastic cup yangu iyi. So I'll be updating you. I can't wait obviously for Saturday. Maybe this is when I also post this video yamukuona, but you know what, I'm fighting for these results. Definitely I'm looking forward to changes. I feel a little bit emptiness because the more you go to the toilet, the more you feel like it's burdened. That's what I've been feeling since yesterday because of the frequency of going to the toilet. And also some of the people, they have advised me to use fresh cream or what, but there's one thing that I'd forgotten, which I'm actually lactose intolerant. I actually started doing that like banana, I think way back 2005, but I was having a problem with cock. So I bought that fresh cream, but not I definitely, you feel bloated, you feel like you want to gas every time, or fat, if you can say that. So I think I'm gonna stay away from fresh cream most of the time. Maybe if I'm gonna crave fresh cream, I'll do so.